Hey guys, I'm back with American Girl Dolls, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pillow for when they go to sleep. So here we go. First, flip your design to the back and fold it like this. So fold it like this. Okay, after this, like when you folded it like this, now you're going to cut how thick you want your pillow to be, and then you're going to cut how long you want it to be. I've cut it of how thick I want it to be. Now we're going to cut it of how long I want it to be. Okay, so this is how long I want my pillow to be. Now you're going to get a hot glue gun. I got my hot glue gun. And now you're either going to need stuffing or tissues. I'm using tissues because I don't have like the stuffed animal stuffings. We're going to use tissues. If you wanted to, you can use a little button to stick in the middle of the pillow, like I did for this one I made. If you want to do any designs on your pillow, this would be the time to do it. I'm still thinking if I want to do one on this. Okay, so I decided that on my pillow I'm gonna write live, love, and sleep because I thought it was cute and it just matches the pillow. So I thought that was really cute to do live, love, and sleep. So that was a really cute idea to me. So here I am just writing that. Now we're going to start putting together the pillow. First, plug in your hot glue gun, and remember to have adult supervision with your hot glue gun so you don't get burned. And let it heat up. Make sure you have an extra glue stick if you need one. Also, make sure you're letting it heat up on something like paper or something, not just on your floor or rug, because it will drip when it gets too hot. Okay, so here I am just taking my hot glue gun and gluing the one side together on my pillow. So here I am just putting on the glue and everything. And remember, have adult supervision because this hot glue gets really hot. So then I just folded it and stuck it together. And it will the hotness will come through the fabric. So have extra caution about that. So then I am just pressing it down to make sure it's good, and now I'm gonna glue the other side of the fabric. Here I am just gluing that. This is the other side, and I'm leaving a big hole so I could still stuff in the tissues. So I'm just gluing it right now. So next, I'm pushing it down like that. And there's just one big hole so I can still stick in the tissues. Okay, so here's the big hole that I said I was gonna stuff the tissues in, so I'm gonna try stuffing in the tissues. So here we go. So I decided to like shred up the tissues so when I put it in the pillow, it wasn't so hard. So I just took the tissues like one piece at a time and then stuck it in the pillow because I think it's just better that way because the tissue was like very hard. So now it is softer, and now I'm gonna glue that part together with the tissues. And this might be hard with the tissues in the middle, but you just put the hot glue on one side, and remember that it could be really hot depending how long you let it sit for, and then just stick it together. So there. And there you go. And that's how you make an American Girl Doll pillow. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.